Hi there! Welcome to Sydney Property Realtors. Today, we're diving into a question we often hear. What does property management really do? If you're a property owner, you're going to want to stick around. Finding the right tenants is crucial. We handle everything from tenant screenings to lease agreements to ensure your property is in safe hands. At Sydney Property Realtors, we market your property on multiple platforms to attract quality tenants quickly. From routine inspections to coordinating repairs, we take care of every little detail so you don't have to. We ensure rent is collected on time and provide detailed financial reports, keeping you informed and stress-free. We handle all the legal paperwork, ensuring your property complies with regulations. No headaches, no hassles. At Sydney Property Realtors, we're here to make your life easier. Our expert property management services are designed to maximize your returns and give you peace of mind.